Good afternoon. Today is Wednesday, March 1st, 2023. I am here at the private residence on Volano Beach. Just finished up a dock piling inspections for the yearly inspection. I did not see anything that raised any big concerns. Cleaned off a bunch of barnacles, especially around the seams, making sure that there's no tears or rips. Did not see any. Had to add a few nails to a couple of the piles just to make sure that everything was still kept down pretty well. Other than that, everything looked fine. One concern, other than the fact of this pile right here that has the hole in it, it's already attached to another pile. There is another pile that is over here that has a fastener right there on it. It doesn't look like there's a big concern right now, but that's just one that we're probably going to have to keep looking at whenever we come out here, because that nail or that bolt might come out, just to keep a heads up on. Everything else looks really good. Thank you for choosing DS Dive.